Most people think cruise vacations are only for the rich. But what if I told you that in 2025 you can explore the Caribbean, Alaska, or even Mexico on a cruise for less than $60 a night? Cruising isn't just a luxury anymore. Some cruise lines are offering insane deals that make it cheaper than staying at a hotel. Let's explore the most affordable cruise ships in the US for 2025 and see which ones give you the best value for your money. Starting at just $58 per night, the Carnival Elation sails from Jacksonville to the Bahamas, offering tropical vibes, delicious buffets, and ocean view rooms that won't break your wallet. For around $70 a night, the Adventure of the Seas gives you Royal Caribbean luxury without the crazy prices. Think water parks, onboard shows, and stops in beautiful Caribbean islands. The Norwegian Sky often includes unlimited food and drinks, even in low-cost packages. For $65 to $80 a night, you'll feel like you're traveling in style, without worrying about extra costs. MSC Cruises bring that touch of European class to American waters, and you can find offers as low as $55 a night for routes from Miami to Mexico or the Bahamas. To get the best deals, book at least 3 months ahead, avoid peak summer dates, and always check last-minute cancellations. That's where the hidden gems are. So now you know, luxury ocean adventures don't have to cost a fortune. Which cruise would you choose for your 2025 trip? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart travel videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Smartly X for more budget travel guides, tips, and adventures. Start your smart travel journey today and make every trip unforgettable.